In this video, we're going to look at some of the posture options that are available for the Configura Comfort chair. So as standard, what we do have the ability to do with the existing pillows is to play around with the stuffing inside. There's a zipper at the back of the pillow, which we can use to gain access to the back of the pillow. And what we can do there is we can remove stuffing, add stuffing, and move stuffing to provide additional support as required. In addition to the standard pillows, we do have the Profiled Headrest. So as you can see, this has got the cutout in it to provide that head support. And so what we can do is remove the existing headrest pillow and we can position this in place. And what that allows us to do is give that good head support and help the rest of the body to stay nice and upright.